You asked, how to divide 10,241 by 4 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 10. 10 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 22 minus 20 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 2560 remainder 1.